Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's crochet tutorial we are going to learn the most important first step, the foundation chain. This is where every crochet project begins. Grab your yarn and your hook. I'm using a size 4mm and a lightweight yarn. Start with a slip knot. Make a loop with the yarn, pull the working yarn through the loop and tighten. Now slide it onto your hook, but not too tight. With your hook in hand, wrap the yarn over the hook from back to front. This is called yarn over. Now just pull the yarn through the loop already on your hook. That's your first chain stitch. Keep repeating the motion. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through, and that's it. You want your stitches to be even, not too tight and not too loose. And that's your foundation chain. Once you've got this down, you're ready to start your first row of stitches. If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and join me in next video where we crochet our first row. See you there.